Welcome to the channel of Solidum Lawyers, leaders in digital law and fintech. Today, we will address the legal challenges of smart contracts in DeFi. Let's get started. In the dynamic world of decentralized finance, smart contracts are redefining how financial transactions are conducted. These technological tools facilitate automatic operations on blockchain platforms, eliminating the need for traditional intermediaries such as banks and other financial entities. However, the adoption of these technologies presents significant legal complexities, especially in a country like Ecuador, where the regulatory framework is still adapting to these new realities. In Ecuador, the financial sector is governed by regulations that seek to protect consumers and ensure the stability of the financial system. However, DeFi and smart contracts operate in a space that has traditionally escaped conventional regulation, raising questions about the legality of their operations, the validity of the agreements established through them, and how aspects such as transaction security and personal data protection are managed. Today, we will dive into the world of DeFi and explore how these developments are not only transforming financial operations, but also how they are challenging legislators and regulators to rethink strategies for supervision and control. We'll analyze the challenges and legal implications faced by both professionals and participants in this emerging sector in Ecuador, highlighting both the opportunities and the inherent obstacles of this technological revolution. Smart contracts are programs stored on a blockchain that automatically execute specified actions when predetermined conditions are met. In the realm of decentralized finance or DeFi, these contracts are fundamental for facilitating operations ranging from loans and insurance to asset exchanges, all without the intervention of traditional intermediaries. Operating on blockchain platforms like Ethereum, these contracts provide a secure and transparent transaction method, where each operation is verifiable by all network users. This is crucial for trust and security in a system that operates in a decentralized manner. In Ecuador, traditional financial legislation does not specifically address operations carried out through smart contracts, which poses several legal challenges. For example, in the absence of clear regulation, how are legal disputes that arise from DeFi transactions handled? Under what conditions are these contracts considered legally binding? These are critical questions that still require clear answers and specific guidelines under the Ecuadorian legal system. Moreover, the automation of contracts that handle complex aspects such as loans or insurance raises questions about legal liability in cases of code failures or system malfunctions. Who is responsible when an error in a smart contract results in financial losses for users? These errors represent uncharted territory that requires deep legal reflection and possibly new legislation to properly address these technological advancements. One of the main challenges in Ecuador regarding smart contracts in DeFi is the absence of a specific legal framework that regulates these technologies. This lack of a specific regulation creates an atmosphere of legal uncertainty, especially problematic when contractual disputes arise or where contracts do not execute as expected. Without clear norms determining the validity and enforcement of these contracts can become a complex and disputed legal terrain. Additionally, in an environment as innovative and technological advanced as DeFi, consumer protection emerges as a significant challenge. Users of DeFi platforms often operate without the backing of traditional financial institutions, which raises questions about how their rights are protected in cases of fraud or embezzlement. Decentralization, while beneficial in terms of efficiency and reducing intermediaries, also complicates the traceability of responsibilities. Data security is another crucial challenge. Although the blockchain is inherently secure due to its cryptographic design, applications built on it, such as smart contracts, can have vulnerabilities that endanger sensitive data. Current Ecuadorian legislation on personal data protection does not fully contemplate the challenges presented by the storage and handling of data on the blockchain, which could result in security breaches that affect consumers. These challenges require a legislative response that not only addresses the risks associated with these technologies, but also fosters a safe and equitable environment for their development. It is essential that Ecuador moves towards a regulation that understands and adapts to the unique nature of smart contracts and DeFi, thus ensuring that the benefits of these innovations can be fully leveraged while protecting the interests of all users. For Ecuador to position itself as a leader in fintech innovation, it is crucial to develop a legal framework that not only recognizes the specificities of DeFi and smart contracts, but also addresses the unique challenges they present. This will involve the creation of legislation that adapts to the speed and dynamism of digital markets, ensuring a balance between innovation and consumer protection. Adequate regulatory evolution could begin by establishing clear and comprehensive definitions for terms and operations within the realm of DeFi. Additionally, it is essential to incorporate measures that strengthen transparency and accountability in all transactions. This could be achieved by implementing public registries of all contractual and DeFi activities, accessible for audits and regulatory supervision. To combat fraud and protect users, regulations should include strict cybersecurity requirements for DeFi platforms, as well as clear protocols for action in the event of security breaches or technical failures. Additionally, regulation must extend to ensuring that all smart contracts are verified and certified by competent authorities before their implementation, to ensure they meet legal and technical standards. Lastly, considering the global nature of DeFi, Ecuador could collaborate in international forums to develop standards and regulations that transcend national borders. This will not only increase trust in platforms based in Ecuador, but also foster international cooperation in supervising these emerging technologies. As we have explored today, smart contracts and decentralized finance (DeFi) are reshaping the financial landscape, offering more efficient and transparent methods for conducting financial transactions. However, like any technological advancement, they come with significant legal challenges that require meticulous attention and a proactive approach. And in Solidum Lawyers, we understand the complexity of these challenges and are committed to guiding our clients through the changing legal environment of DeFi and smart contracts. Our team stays at the forefront of legal and technological trends to ensure that you, our clients and followers, are well informed and protected. If you are interested in how these innovations may affect your business or investments, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on these and other relevant topics. Share this video with those who might benefit from this information, and do not hesitate to leave your comments below. Your questions and interaction is vital to us and help us better understand your concerns and needs. Thank you for joining us in this analysis of smart contracts in DeFi. Remember, at Solidum Lawyers, we are here to help you navigate the legal future of technology. Until next time, and stay connected for more legal and technological insights.